Leo, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for November 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So let's see, Leo, what's coming to you ngayong November 2024. Okay, let's see, Leo. Okay, so you have Canas. This is your creativity, no? So maaring meron kayong creative projects ngayong November. Eureka moment rin to eh. Maaring meron kang creative idea na, uy, susubukan ko nga to. Uy, magandang idea to. I will try it. I will do it. Meron din ditong isa. This is about obstacle or being frozen. So pwede ring meron kang idea pero may mga times na may nag-hold back sa'yo na parang wag na lang muna kaya, or alam mo yon, parang urong-sulong yung energy mo, no? Ngayong November. Kaya iyon yung dapat mo ring i-work out, na you really have to know what you really want, kung ano talaga yung gusto mo, para pag ginawa mo siya, no? Pag in-execute mo, tuloy-tuloy siya. Hindi yung parang, ay, wag na muna, saka na lang nga. Oo. Kasi sayang yung time na i-allot mo para doon. Kasi you have ito, Tiwas. Tiwas is about leadership. This is victory. So, rest assured na kung ano man tong mga creative na projects, activities na gagawin mo, this will lead to success. Okay? Kailangan lang talaga rito na meron kang lakas ng loob. You have the courage to start, to do it. And you will have to show up, kumbaga. No? Let's say, magaling kang kumanta, no? So, kung gusto mong makilala sa pagiging singer, you have to make mga covers or mga iba't ibang paraan para mapansin ka, no? You have to be consistent. Kasi kung halimbawa, gagawa ka lang ng isang video, like example, cover, i-upload mo sa YouTube or sa TikTok, hindi siya agad-agad mapapansin. So, kailangan consistent ka na uploading. Sabi nga nila the more entries you send, the more chances of winning, 'di ba? So, the more na you are putting up or you're creating something, the more na malaki yung chance na ang isa doon sa mga inilabas mo maging successful at maging parang break mo, no? To be successful in the field na pinipili mo. Okay? So, kailangan consistent. Kasi may mga times na parang tinatamad ka or parang hindi ka inspired. So, look for something that inspires you na magpatuloy. Oo. Something that you are passionate about. Okay, let's see what else for Leo ngayong November. Uy, joy. Something happy. May experience mo, no? So, pwedeng merong bagong source of happiness that will come into your life. This can be a romantic person, romantic relationship, or a baby, no? Pwede rin, merong baby sa family, pwedeng ikaw yung magkaka-baby or yung partner mo or yung family, may bagong baby sa family. Or anything that parang magpapa-excite sa'yo. Pwedeng sasakyan, no? Kung meron you've been wanting to have a car, tapos ma-approve ngayon, marirelease siya by November, so parang bagong baby mo rin yan that will bring joy to you. This is also about knowing what makes you happy. So, pwedeng meron kang realization ng mga bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo ngayong November. You also have Eagle, which is your guide. I feel like you are divinely guided, Leo, na may mga direksyon na kailangan kang tahakin. Although, yung iba sa inyo, meron na kayong plano, nakaset na yung plano ninyo, yung roadmap ninyo, doon sa gusto nyong ma-achieve. But sometimes, no, merong mas magandang plano for you. And whatever this is, you are going to be guided to that purpose, to that direction, na kung saan doon kayo mas magiging masaya. Oo. Let's see what else. You have the sun and the moon, which is union. Some of you, pwedeng papasok kayo sa isang romantic relationship ngayong November. It's like, yin yang energy. So, maaring, yung iba sa inyo, business partnership, um, merong, pagbabond ng dalawang tao na nagkakaintindihan para sa isang purpose. So, let's say, for example, papasok ka sa isang business partnership na alam mo, yung pinapasok mo, pareho kayo ng gusto na mangyari for your business. Pwede rin relationship na romantic. Okay? So, just take whatever resonates. Let's see, ano pa? For Leo. Leo, November 2024. Okay. Ooh, this is your energy. The Strength card. Yes, you are someone na kayang-kaya mong magpakalma. Magpakalma ng ibang tao or magpakalma ng sarili mo. Minsan, may mga pagkakataon na parang nanghihina ka kasi akala mo hindi ka ganun kalakas. But actually, you have the strength that you need. Minsan, nagpapatalo lang tayo sa ating isip na, hindi mo kaya yan or mahirap yan. But, kung haharapin mo ng buong tapang yung challenge na nasa harapan mo, masusolusyonan mo yun eh. Kasi, kumbaga, lilipas din. Lilipas rin siya. Hindi laging may problema, hindi laging may pagsubok, hindi laging may bagyo. 'Di ba? So, kumbaga, it will get better. Okay? You have the Three of Pentacles. I feel like you will socialize more. Ngayong November, you will go out with friends, with your co-workers. Maaring may mga meetings ka na pupuntahan, some events, especially may kinalaman sa planning, lalo na kung ikaw ay working with a group of people, no? Let's say sa business mo or sa trabaho mo, more on collaborating, brainstorming, ganyan. You have the Four of Cups. Alam ko, yung iba sa inyo, Leo, mayroong kayong nararamdaman na parang emptiness. Parang feeling nyo, there is something lacking. May kulang. Okay? There are times talaga na, may isip natin, ano ba talaga? Why are we here? No? Bakit tayo nandito? Ano ba yung purpose natin? But I feel like ito yung guide mo eh. Hindi lang siya eagle, pero they have similarities, diba? Na, hindi mo man siya nakikita, whoever this can be your spirit guide, your ancestor, your angels, guardian angel. Ano siya naka-guide sa'yo, no? Hindi ka pinababayaan. Kumbaga karamay mo siya. This can also be your higher self na telling you na everything is going to be okay. Everything is going to be alright, no? Na meron kang protector Someone is there to protect you. Kung hindi man to in the physical realm, this can be in the spiritual realm, no? Sa spiritual world. You have the Emperor. So, see, everything's going to be in control. Leo, darating yung time na ikaw rin yung you will be able to manage na yung mga bagay na kailangan mong maasikaso or magampanan ngayong November. Some of you maaring meron ibibigay sa inyo na leadership role or responsibility na parang you will feel the sense of purpose dahil sa responsibility na yon. Knight of Wands, babalik ulit ang spark ninyo, Leo. Babalik ulit yung energy mo na you want to try new things, you're on top of the world, you want to enjoy life, take a risk. Kumbaga, andun ulit yung energy. So, yung iba sa inyo, may-aring uuwi kayo ng inyong hometown or your family. Minsan, kailangan lang na, lalo na kung malayo kayo sa family ninyo, kailangan nyo lang talagang mag-reconnect sa inyong foundation. My love, my romance, OMG. So, I feel like parang isa sa major energy for you ngayong November is your romantic relationship with someone. Okay? And then, some of you, ito, co-creation. So, this is about connecting with others, collaborating, working with others for a project or sa business or sa trabaho nyo. Time to act. It's time to act, Leo, whatever this is na pinaplano nyo, you are in your own element ngayong November. You will tap into your strength. Okay? A marriage will take place, either romantic or business. So, itong marriage, it doesn't have to be yung talagang marriage itself. Although, for some of you, pwedeng may ikakasal sa inyo. But for some of you, pwede itong commitment na papasukin mo. This can be commitment sa relationship or sa business na you will get yourself into ngayong November. Inner peace and a sense of wonder are regained by immersing yourself in nature. So, makakatulong sa inyo, Leo, na lumabas, to go out with nature, touch some grass, feel nature around you, kasi you will feel good, you will feel better. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye!